This is the magic of a dump-and-go Crockpot Blackberry Cobbler. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to make. Start by gathering 4 cups of fresh blackberries. Yes, fresh is always best, but if you can't get your hands on any, frozen will do just fine. Next, throw those berries into your crockpot. To sweeten things up, mix in 1 cup of granulated sugar. And for a hint of warmth, sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. But remember, the cinnamon is optional. If you're not a fan, feel free to leave it out. Now grab a box of yellow cake mix. Sprinkle it evenly over the blackberries. Resist the urge to stir. We're looking for a nice, even layer of cake mix here. Now take a 1/2 cup of melted butter and drizzle it over the top of the cake mix. And again, do not stir. We want to make sure the butter is spread out as much as possible to create that delicious golden crust. Then simply cover the crock pot and let it do its thing. Cook on high for 2 to 3 hours. You'll know it's ready when the berries are bubbly and the top is golden and set. Serve it warm, straight from the crock pot. And for the ultimate indulgence, why not top your cobbler with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream? Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.